All right. Hey guys, no, thank you for joining me, seriously. And my favorite spot, the garage. Please ignore my nails because I'm doing them tomorrow. But anyways, why am I always in the garage a lot of times? Because I can get away from the boys and there's not background noise and TV and everything. But anyways, I want to talk about Doomsday Mom. You know, the one and only Lori Vallow. Which, take that back. She doesn't deserve the last name Vallow. So we'll just call her Lori Daybell. Her and her crazy cult husband. Anyways, this woman, I watched the interview and I wanted so badly to be able to post parts from that interview to share with you guys. But unfortunately, there's a lot of parts that have the DEA, you know what word in it. So, but the audacity of this lady to tell, I guess it's her new defense strategy, to tell the world in this interview that what really occurred was that that JJ was like throwing a fit or tantrum of some sort. So Tylee went to hold him down to like, and then held him down for too long, and he expired. And then she couldn't live with the shame and guilt, so then she expired herself. Problem with that, Mrs. Daybell, is that there's this thing called forensics, and forensics show that Tylee was gone a lot sooner than poor JJ. You know, God bless those children, and I hate they went through what they did, and I hope that it was fast and painless. But anyways, to continue on, you know, she had court today, and what she said during court just baffled me, you guys, because she's going to sit there and in her interview, she really thinks she's getting off. She says she thinks that she's going to get off and everything's going to be fixed and blah, blah, blah. And now with this new defense story that she's got, if the jury buys that, well, I got some oceanfront property in Arizona I'd like to sell them. And speaking of Arizona, where this is occurring, man, y'all really let Charles Vallow down. You guys let her flirt her way in that interrogation. It really wasn't like they weren't hard, like asking any hard questions or nothing like that. Flirt her way right on out of it and leave. And even after Charles was expired, you guys just quick done. You know, didn't do your jobs. And I blame a lot of it on you guys. I really do, on the department that did not investigate these crimes. But back to what happened in court today. Lori wants a speedy trial, but at the same time she is upset because her former defense team will not hand over all the things that she wants from them. Well, guess what, ma'am? They don't work for you anymore. Hello? Different state, different council, you get what you get. And so the judge told her basically, you know, do you want a speedy trial or do you want to have a continuancy? Here, listen to what the judge says.
Mr. Dworkin, if you want him to do extractions, you're not ready for trial. So in order for him to do the work that he's requesting, getting copies of a laptop or a cell phone or whatever the case may be, that's going to take him time to extract and analyze and then prepare a report. Months, maybe.
I understand that, Your Honor, and I'm hoping he can do it in an expedited manner. I requested him from OPDS on January 14th. He got approved on March 7th.
Well,
from OPDS.
You're the one pressing for your speedy trial, so you kind of have to make a decision on we're set for trial. You want to go to trial or you want to have him do that work that you want? Because I don't think both are going to happen. Even if he got the laptops today, generally those types of things can take weeks, even months to analyze and prepare a report on.
It's very cut and dry what he tells her. And she still isn't getting it. And she complains that she's in, lockup 23 hours a day, so she's not able to do certain things. Well, that's the consequences of your crimes. It really is. And you're lucky if they try to keep the mention of those crimes out of this trial. You should be like, that would, if that happens, I'm going to be upset, but it's better for her defense. Anyways, I do think that this judge has a level head. I think Lori really thinks she's going to get out of it. I think the 2 months of intense therapy stuff, whatever she had done, apparently did nada for her, zero. And how dare her sit there and when she talked about Charles's cell phone, call him her husband. That's not your husband. Your husband is locked up in another state. Hello, you are Daybell's wife now. Charles, no, you don't get to say his name ever again, in my opinion, or his last name. You can't use Vallow. I'm tired. The media needs to stop calling her Lori Vallow. They just need to start calling her Lori Doomsday, something. But we'll come up with a catchy title in the comments. Y'all help me out here with what we should call her. But anyways, like I said, to say that was her husband, no ma'am. What, he was number 5? 4 or 5? How many times was she married? 5, 6? I can't even keep count anymore. But like I said before, she is a quack. She thinks she's going to get through this. I don't see it happening that way. And if it does, I'm going to go scratch some lotto tickets because apparently hell has frozen. Now, I just wanted to announce to you guys that on Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, me and Steph are going to have a live. Not crazy live. We're not going to have boxes, a panel, just a live where we just want to go through, the body cam footage of Charles Vallow, because I've never seen the whole thing anywhere else on any channel except when you go on YouTube and go to Court TV or whatever and pull it. But I want to go through that with all y'all so y'all could see how this man really, he tried to explain to him. He was like, look, she keeps saying, I'm not Charles, I'm gone, I'm Ned Snyder, and I'm this, and she emptied his accounts, she tried to take everything else. And you know what, the one thing though I want to applaud Mr. Vallow for doing, thank you, sir, for changing your life insurance policy, because it made my day to see those messages between her and Chad and the calls where they were so upset that his life insurance policy had been changed. That was amazing. That's the only tiny bit of justice that Charles received so far. So let's hope that this time Arizona don't let the country down and find her guilty on all counts, all of them. So anyways, y'all have a good night. Godspeed, sweet dreams, and remember, Thursday 1 p.m. we're gonna just stream. We're gonna have a live of the body cam footage. So see y'all then. Bye guys.